Coinbase plans a direct listing versus traditional initial public offering. According to this article, the emergence of Coinbase as a publicly traded company is anticipated to be a breakthrough moment for the industry, marking a milestone on the road to maturity for crypto as a mainstream asset class. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. For those of you not familiar with Coinbase, Coinbase is a digital currency exchange headquartered in San Francisco. They broker exchanges of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Tezos, and many other cryptocurrencies, with fiat currencies in approximately 32 countries and Bitcoin transactions and storage in 190 countries worldwide. The company is named after Coinbase transactions, which are special transactions that introduce cryptocurrency into circulation in proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. Coinbase started in 2012 and was founded by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ursam. It is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trading volume, and right now, it's expected to be one of the biggest initial public offerings of the year. In the recent filing, Coinbase noted a few of the potential risk factors that could affect plans, one being the volatile nature of crypto, another being the competition from decentralized exchanges, those part of the so-called decentralized finance movement or DeFi. These apps let people trade, lend and borrow coins without an intermediary, and one of those interesting risk factors is the identification of Satoshi Nakamoto, the synonymous person or person who developed Bitcoin, or the transfer of Satoshi Bitcoins. In an effort to align with a mission to democratize access to financial markets, it seems that the company's goal is also attempting to create more economic freedom, as was pointed out by Coinbase Chief Executive Officer Brian Armstrong. In the letter addressing potential investors, Armstrong wrote, "If the world economy ran out of common set of standards that could not be manipulated by any company or country, the world would be more fair and free place, and human progress would accelerate."
GameStop's dizzying rallies and slumps have good company in Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency's rally got new life this week after Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the electric vehicle maker invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and signaled its intent to begin accepting it as a form of payment. But even Elon Musk couldn't save the cryptocurrency from its volatility.
Cryptocurrencies are a good example where you see the same type of price action, where it's not clear these are justified by any value argument and any fundamental arguments.
Bitcoin quadrupled in price in late 2020 after gaining some mainstream momentum. PayPal started allowing consumers to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in their PayPal wallets, and Fidelity launched its Bitcoin Fund. Millennials also jumped on the Bitcoin bandwagon by using stimulus checks to buy the cryptocurrency.
The concept of retail backing stock for it to go up and up and up. Bitcoin and Tesla are clear examples.
Bitcoin is also getting institutional interest. A Fidelity investment survey found that 36% of institutional respondents held crypto in their portfolios. More than 6 out of 10 expressed interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, up from fewer than half in 2019.
I originally thought Bitcoin would end the year at 50 or 60,000. Things are happening so much faster than I had predicted. So now I think Bitcoin could end the year at $100,000.
Most of Wall Street is still sitting on the sidelines. JP Morgan is the farthest along in its Bitcoin acceptance. Last year, it agreed to take on Bitcoin exchanges Coinbase and Gemini Trust as banking clients.
I don't think the investor base is big enough and deep enough right now to support this kind of valuation.
There are regulatory hurdles that stand in the way of Bitcoin going mainstream. The U.S. Treasury Department has proposed requiring banks and other intermediaries to maintain records to verify customer identities for certain cryptocurrency transactions. Recording transactions would go against the very principle of Bitcoin, which promotes anonymity.
Those folks who have really dug in on this asset class know that using assets like Bitcoin for anything the least bit nefarious, illicit, etc., is probably the worst mechanism possible, since every single transaction leaves a digital breadcrumb.
In this filing, Coinbase disclosed some of the legal headaches they've been facing, detailing a range of topics from an investigation by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission since 2017, possible settlements covering those probes that interested CFTC investigators and US regulators, would probably produce one of the most significant regulatory actions to date. Coinbase continues to cooperate with all investigations as noted in its disclosures. The company also said it plans to disclose material information over Twitter, potentially including CEO Armstrong's account, as well as via LinkedIn and YouTube. Recently and more than ever, cryptocurrencies are being embraced as a store of value by corporations such as Tesla Inc., MicroStrategy Inc., and Square Inc., with investors like Cathie Wood from ARK Invest leaning bullish on the potential market capitalization. Coinbase, reported to have valued at more than $100 billion in recent private transactions, also saw revenue more than double last year from 2019 as they swung to a profit amid a boom in cryptocurrency trading, seeking to ride alongside Bitcoin's meteoric rise. That could make it one of the biggest companies to go public since Facebook Inc. The offering could be the first major direct listing to take place on the Nasdaq, although Coinbase won't raise any proceeds in this transaction. What's also interesting about the filing is that although the company was previously headquartered in San Francisco when it first started, it seemed that the company didn't list an address for an HQ, and instead noted that it will be recognized as a remote-first company. Coinbase will be listed under the ticker symbol COIN, COIN, for its Nasdaq debut. I just opened my new store. If you would like to support this channel, take a look and pick up a t-shirt. Click on the link under the description to go to my store. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.